the ultimate guide to making money on Amazon FBA step-by-step tutorial. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money selling on Amazon. Did you know Amazon is a $1.3 trillion company, and every month 2.4 billion people visit Amazon.com looking to buy products? In 2023 alone, Amazon generated over $600 billion in revenue, with 60% of sales coming from third-party sellers like you and me. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, now is the perfect time to jump into this growing opportunity. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step Amazon FBA course. You'll learn how to launch your own business, select the right products, and take advantage of the Fulfillment by Amazon FBA program. Stick around because I'll share the strategies that helped me generate over $6 million in sales, including how my students have gone on to make 6 or even 7 figures using these proven methods. Why Amazon is the best platform for e-commerce. Online shopping is booming, with only 18% of all retail sales happening online in 2023, a number expected to grow significantly in the coming years. By selling on Amazon, you'll be part of a trend that shows no signs of slowing down. With over 100 million Prime customers in the US alone, Amazon handles the marketing, fulfillment, and delivery, leaving you more time to grow your business or enjoy your life. How Amazon FBA works. Amazon's FBA program makes it easier than ever to start an online business. You send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and when customers order, Amazon handles the picking, packing, and shipping. Plus, your products become Prime eligible, which means faster delivery and more sales. Whether you're traveling or relaxing at home, your business runs smoothly in the background. 5 steps to Amazon success. 1. Find the right product. Research products using tools like Jungle Scout to estimate monthly sales and identify opportunities. 2. Source your product. Use platforms like Alibaba for international manufacturers or Thomasnet for US suppliers. 3. Create a winning listing. Optimize your product title, description, and images to rank high on Amazon's search engine. 4. Ship to Amazon warehouses. Make your products Prime eligible by sending them to Amazon's fulfillment centers. 5. Launch and scale. Use advanced strategies to boost your product's ranking, get reviews, and drive traffic. 3 proven methods for selling on Amazon. There are several ways to succeed on Amazon, and I'll break them down for you. 1. Retail arbitrage. This involves buying products at a discount from retailers like Walmart and reselling them on Amazon for a profit. For example, I found a product for $229 at Walmart and sold it for $599 on Amazon. While it's a quick way to get started, it requires constant sourcing and isn't passive income. 2. Wholesale. Buy products in bulk at a discounted rate from manufacturers or wholesalers. For instance, I found a product making $200,000 per month on Amazon, purchased it for $18 per unit on globalsources.com, and resold it for $32.99. While profitable, wholesale can be competitive since others can sell the same product. 3. Private label. Create your own brand by purchasing generic products in bulk and branding them. One of my students sold a $2.99 product from Alibaba for $15.99 on Amazon, generating over $50,000 per month. This method allows for exclusive listings, but requires more investment and branding efforts. Addressing common concerns. Many people worry that the market is saturated, but the truth is, the right approach can still yield incredible results. Of the 9 million Amazon sellers worldwide, only 1.1 million are active in the US, leaving plenty of opportunities. Moreover, over 40% of Amazon sellers have made $100,000 or more in sales. Learn from my experience. I've been an Amazon seller for over 8 years and a full-time e-commerce entrepreneur for 10 years. I've seen it all: the successes, the mistakes, and the lessons learned. In this video, I'll share the biggest mistakes new sellers make, like choosing the wrong product or failing to optimize listings, and how you can avoid them.